channel Vihan's Creation. So today we are going to learn about how to use image component in MIT App Inventor. Do subscribe my YouTube channel and click the bell icon and keep it all so that you will get the notification of my new video first and like this video. So let's begin. So in the last video I showed how to open MIT App Inventor. Today I'm not showing it because as you can see that video I have posted that link in the description and watch it as you will know how to use button. So let's move to the block section. So here is the app which I created in the last video. I showed you how to use button, but also I used image. So I'll tell you how to use image. First I'll tell you what image contains. Alternate text, we can show some text in image. Clickable, like we can click the image, and height and width which we can make ourselves, and picture which is necessary. Rotational angle means it will also rotate, and scale picture to fit. So it will also tell the picture to be fitted. So it will do. It is a nice work. This option is a nice work for image. And the last is visible. Here it is not visible because as in the last video I showed you that after clicking visible it will be visible. So we will do like that. But first I'll show you how it looks when it is visible. It looks like that because I have added a background, so it is giving the background. You can add background and you can use it to add some pictures in image. Let's move to the block sections. As in the block section, you can see that I have posted button. So I'll tell you what image 1 contains in blocks. First, when we put the clickable option on, then we can write image click, then it will show a output and alternate text. From blocks also we can add the alternate text and the animation. In image 1 we can add animation. In image we can also add the animation through taking the animation, and we can add it through the blocks. Then comes image 1 clickable. This shows that if we use when we go to control and we use if image 1 clickable, it is used for this purpose. We move to next is set image 1 dot clickable to. If the clickable is equal, like we will put here set clickable to button. So if button clicks, image 1 will indirectly be clicked. Okay, so here I'll put button. And next we move to height. So we can adjust the height, like we can add the height. If we are adding height equals 0.5 equals image 1 dot height, that would be good. Or we can use set image 1 dot height to 0.5. Then we can use we can also add percentage for height, and as you can see it is written image 1 dot picture. So it is used to denote the picture. And next comes set image 1 dot picture to. We have already been using this in the designer. We have used this already here, so it is not necessary to use this image here. In the block section you can use any other if you are using any other coding thing. And next comes the rotation angle. It is used to denote the rotation angle of the image. And next comes set image 1 dot rotation angle 2. We can set the rotation angle through this block. And then comes the set image 1 dot scale picture to fit. So here we can only use true and false, so that if set image 1 dot scale picture to fit to true, then the picture will be scaled to fit in the image, and if it false, it will not do it. And image 1 dot scaling, it will scale the image, and it is used to scale the image, this block. And set image dot scaling 2 is used to is used to scale scaling to true or false. It is also used for true or false, because if we use set image dot scaling to true, it will scale. False, it will not scale. Image dot visible is if we want, like, if in output we are writing yes it should be visible, so we need to write image dot visible. If we are telling the output to do it true or false, like set image 1 dot visible to true, then it will visible. False, then it will not. Then comes width, and it is used image 1 dot width, it is used to denote the width. And set image 1 dot width to, we can add the value to the width, and we can also add the percentage of the width. Here is the link of picture, and here is normal image 1. So I have already made this code, so
Choose
I'll
it through
tell you
scanning
how it
QR
works.
code. So I'll scan my QR code and it is scanned. After scanning, the code will be written over here and your MIT App Inventor process will be on for loading the updates. So the screen is came in companion which we designed. So as in the designer, we non-visible the image, and in block coding we say that when button click, do image 1 to visible to true, as if visible it to false. So whenever I click a visible button, it will be the image will be visible like this. So this means that our app is perfectly running and all the components are placed in a perfect manner. So thank you guys. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.